when you travel, you gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, so good morning everyone, welcome back to the vlog. It's I think almost 10 o'clock in the morning, and the first thing that we gotta do is we gotta rush for the breakfast, otherwise it will get closed down. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just go head down, have the breakfast, and then we continue for the day. I have some exciting stuff planned, so let's get started. Alright, so the first place that we are heading today is called Liberty Square, and I think it's around 1 kilometer from here. So what I'm gonna do is I'll be just we have a couple of options. Either we can wait for the bus, or you can take a metro, or you can walk. I prefer to walk, so that you just get to walk through different neighborhoods and see how the country is. And again, it's just 1 kilometer, so probably not more than 10 or 15 minutes. So I'll be just walking down the street, head there and see how it is. I think it's one of the key landmark or a key hotspot if you are visiting the capital, Tbilisi. So yeah, let's get started with the day. And it's pretty cold. Let's see how much is the temperature is. Let me just check my phone real quick. It's I don't know about the temperature, but it's super cold. Okay, it's 6 degrees right now. Yeah, it's a bit cold. That's one of the reason I'm walking as well. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so I think we are almost there. And I think this looks amazing. It's more like a city center and like a big roundabout, but yeah, this is what they call Liberty Square or Freedom Square. Now I'm not sure why, but yes, this is what they call it here. So I'm just gonna reach there in a minute and I'll show you how it looks, and then I'm gonna walk around the square and show you more as well. So let's go there and have a look from here. Now I'll just go around the square and start to explore. Okay guys, so after we saw Liberty Square, we are going to the next place called National Museum of Georgia, and we're gonna explore how it is. I'm a less fan of museum, but let's give it a try and we see how it turns out to be. And I think we're gonna visit this place during evening hours as well. It's got pretty nice Christmas decorations, so we're gonna come here again in the evening hours. Okay guys, so that's it from National Museum, and that's how it looks. I was not able to record much, or I was not allowed to record at all, so I took some pictures which I'll be adding in this video towards the end, just to make sure it continues to be interesting. And then we are going now to the next place, which we'll know as we go, so stay tuned. Okay, so the next place that we are going is this old church just next to the museum. And if you are into more exploring old churches or something like that, then you can surely visit this one. It's just next to old museum. No. So we just came out of St. George Church and it's amazing, so you should visit definitely. Again, videos were not allowed inside, so I've clicked some pictures which I'll be adding in the vlog as we go ahead. And now we're gonna head back to Liberty Square and we try to visit Tourist Information Center and see what other things can we explore further. So yeah. And we are also gonna pass through a flea market, which I think is amazing. So we're also gonna have a quick look at that at the same time. So I'll show you once I reach there, because most of the things stay the same, roads stay the same, so just to save time on vlog. Cheers. So this place is a Museum of Fine Arts. So if you are really into art and everything, you can visit this one. However, for me, I have already seen Louvre, so I'm gonna skip that for now. But yes, it's more or less, you can, if you're into us, then you should visit that one. And now is the next stop. We are gonna pass by this flea market, and it's more on the Christmas, usually I believe during Christmas time across Europe. So we're just gonna pass by that, see how things are. Not gonna purchase anything from here most probably, but we'll see.
And then there's this one, we got it there. So he claims to be the heir of Sultan Ayub.
Okay, that's interesting.
He's like, I know about every culture and you're fighting with me. I'm like, I know my country.
Yep, so that's how this market looks like. So you can come and have a look. Sorry. So you can come and have a look and purchase and do shopping from here. But yeah, it's amazing. That's gonna be my thumbnail, most probably. Okay, so now I'm in this mall called Liberty Square, and I think they have got some nice decorations over here, so that's fine. The mall is pretty good. So if you want to shop something, it's just next to Liberty Square, and it's called Liberty Square Mall or something like that. So you can visit that. But yeah, it looks good. And I think it's a good mall. So yeah, they've got H&M, Zara, Wrangler, everything. So yeah, why not? And so that's how the Liberty Square Mall looks from outside. You can enter from here, or you can or Galleria Mall basically, but they're also called Liberty Square. But yeah, this is the Galleria Mall. So you can either enter from here, or you can use any of the other entrance, like from H&M directly or through Liberty Square. Yep, that's the Galleria Mall, and I think that's one of the biggest mall in Tbilisi. Now we're gonna head back to Liberty Square. Okay guys, so the next place that we are going today is Sioni Cathedral, and if you come out of Liberty Square, you will see like a left hand side entrance to that. It's like an old market village that you can say, and you know they have some pretty nice cafes that you can chill around, and if you want to get something like carpets or something, you can always get one. So yeah, now we are just gonna head to the cathedral and see how it turns out to be. And as you can see, and as we go ahead, we're gonna go and look at this cathedral. Yep, that's how it looks. And we're gonna go inside and check it. So I think this is again on one of the, even if you just on TripAdvisor just search for top places to visit in Georgia, then this will tell you like this is one of the place that you can visit surely. So yeah, it's a good place to visit. Now I'm just gonna go down, enter the cathedral, and see how it is inside. I'm sure it's amazing, so let's go there and have a quick look. I guess I won't be allowed to shoot inside. And the next thing that we are gonna do is we're gonna came to this Tbilisi museum, and it looks something like this. So I think they also have like a wine museum, so if you're into that, you can surely visit it.
Like a cellar of the house to keep low temperature. And in the wine cellar we always keep tools for winemaking and wine, so it's kind of a holy place only for wine. Before we start talking about wine, I wanted to show you this. These are for the smell of the wine. If you push here, all the smell from here comes.
This is where wine is being manufactured or produced.
About its quality, so it's
so that's on where the wine is prepared for its final deliveries. And yeah, that's it really. So I believe you might have already heard the guide speaking on how wine is made, what's the process, etc. So that's where the processing of wine happens. So I'm not going to go in deep dive again, just to not make a repetitive content. But yeah, that's it. And the good part is this wine museum is connected through 3 different buildings underground. It's like around 7 meters beneath water, the wine restaurant at the end. So surely it's a very good place to visit. Yeah, I can hear the water flowing.
Near the windows if you stand, right?
Yes. Yep. And now there's also an armor armor museum within this one. So if you like, you can go and watch it as well, which we will be doing, I believe. So let us go and check that. So that's where the armor museum is. So you can come and try over here. It's part of the wine museum itself, and you can come and try different apparels, or you can try just try and get some pictures. They don't charge anything extra, but yeah, you can walk on the tops here. So yeah, that's how the armor museum looks like. Nothing much here, more or less, just all the weapons. Yeah, just all the weapons. And we're gonna click some pictures and head out again towards our next stop. Okay, so guys, so we just went out of just came out of the church. We had lunch, and then we also went to this place called wine museum. So now we are just exploring the street, having some nice fruits. It's a bit expensive, to be honest. I didn't expect this much, but yeah, when you travel, you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay guys, so the next place that we are heading to today is for hot air balloon Tbilisi, and it costs around 55 laris, and it's in one of the gardens just next to Narkila Fort, so you can get it from there as well. So we're just gonna head there. I just got the ticket, and now we're going to enter the balloon. So yeah, let's get started. You can get the tickets from this booth right here. It costs 55 lari, and then you can also just play around. So that's right there. I think the Peace Beach is just there. And yeah, you can just come and chill over here for a while. So let's go in and yep, there we go. So that's gonna be our ride. It will go 150 meters up, and we'll get a bird's eye view of the complete city. And I think it's a good time because it's time for sunset now, almost 5 p.m. yeah, and I think you can see the moon as well. Yeah, so let's go there and let's go inside. Yep, so we are about to enter the hot air balloon, and I just got to come in to change my glasses, so because I've been wearing pink glasses the whole day and throughout my all previous trips. So yeah, just changing it a little bit, and we are right inside here, this place. All right, and let's get started. My hair is messed up, and who cares, but still. Alright, so that's how the bird's eye view looks like of Tbilisi city center, or of the whole city, I would say. So that's where you can see the fort, you can see the river, the cathedral which we just went there, and that's another cathedral, that's the river, that's the ropeway. So yeah, that's it more or less. I think it really captures the whole city, and you can see the moon right there. Not sure if the camera will do the justice, but this is really beautiful, guys. So yeah, I think that's it really of the whole hot air balloon experience. As you can see, we are 150 meters up from the ground, and yeah, this is just an amazing experience. So if you are coming to Tbilisi, for sure you should experience this. Like I said, it's gonna cost you 55 laris, but when you travel, you gotta do what you gotta do. let's see how this frame looks like, and I think this looks pretty good as well. So yes, that's it on the hot air balloon experience from my side. Now we're gonna go, I think now we are descending already, so we're gonna go down, head to some different, try something new experience, new country, so you gotta do something different and try different things. So yeah, we're gonna go down and see what next thing is on our bucket list for the day. Peace out.